Most people think passive income is a scam, but in 2026, there are real ways to make money while you sleep. Here are 7 that actually work. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means you put in effort once, and money keeps coming. Or you invest money and it grows. Why do you need passive income? Financial freedom, less stress, more options. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building security. Start with one idea. Don't try all 7 at once. Pick what fits your skills and time. Let's dive into the first idea. Idea number 1. Dividend investing. You buy stocks that pay you cash every quarter. You don't have to sell anything. You buy shares of companies that pay dividends. Every quarter, they deposit cash into your account. You don't need to do anything. If you invest $10,000 in dividend stocks with a 4% yield, you earn $400 a year. That's $33 a month. Not life-changing, but it's a start. Dividend investing is best for long-term investors. You're not getting rich tomorrow, but over 20 years, dividends can pay you a full-time income. The secret is to reinvest your dividends. When you buy more shares with your dividends, your next dividend payment is bigger. That's compounding. Idea number 2. Digital products. You create something once and sell it forever. Ebooks, templates, courses, planners. You spend a weekend creating an ebook or a Notion template. Then you list it on Etsy or Gumroad. It can sell 100 times, 1,000 times with no extra work. Let's say you create a $20 ebook. You sell 50 copies a month. That's $1,000 a month. And you only did the work once. Where to sell Gumroad for digital products, Etsy for printables, Amazon KDP for ebook. Pick one platform and get good at it. You don't need to be an expert. Start with what you already know. Cooking, budgeting, fitness, coding. Someone wants to learn it. Idea number 3. Print on demand. You design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. A company prints and ships them for you. You never touch the products. You never pack boxers. You just create designs. A company like Printful or Printify handles the rest. If you sell a t-shirt for $25, your cost is $12. Your profit is $13. Sell 100 shirts a month. That's $1,300. Sell on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon merch. Etsy is easiest for beginners. You can start with 10 designs and see what sells. Pick a niche. Dog lovers, fitness, travel quotes, Christian apparel. The more specific, the better. You're not selling to everyone. You're selling to a tribe. Idea number 4. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. This is the simplest passive income. No risk, no effort. Right now, high-yield savings accounts pay 4 or 5% interest. That's FDIC insured. Your money is safe, and it earns money while you sleep. If you put $10,000 in a high-yield savings account at 4%, you earned $400 a year. That's $33 a month. For doing nothing, CDs offer higher rates if you lock your money for 6 to 12 months. You can't touch it, but you earn more. Good for money you don't need soon. High-yield savings is best for your emergency fund or short-term savings. It's safe, liquid, and pays you every month. Idea number 5. REITs, real estate investment trusts. You can invest in real estate without buying a house. REITs own and operate real estate, apartments, malls, offices, data centers. You buy shares just like stocks. They pay you dividends from the rent. Many REITs pay high dividends, 4 or 10% or more. Some pay every month. That's passive income from real estate without being a landlord. Popular REITs include O Realty Income, VIA, and SCHH. You can buy them through any brokerage like Vanguard and Fidelity. REITs have risk. They can go down in value. diversify across different types of REITs, and hold for the long term. Idea number 6. Affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn a commission when someone buys. You share a special link. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. You don't handle the product or customer service. Best affiliate programs for beginners: Amazon Associates, ShareSale, and CJ Affiliate. They have thousands of products you can promote. Share your links on YouTube, a blog, Instagram, or TikTok. Create helpful content. When people trust you, they'll buy through your links. Start with products you already love. Your honesty builds trust. Don't promote junk just for a commission. Authenticity wins. Idea number 7. Create an online course. You package your knowledge and sell it. People pay to learn what you know. You record your course once. Then it can sell 100 times, 1,000 times, 10,000 times. No extra work after it's done. If you sell a $100 course and sell 50 copies a month, that's $5,000 a month. Life-changing money. Where to sell Teachable for your own site. Udemy for their marketplace. Coursera for professional courses. Start with one skill. Create a small course. See if people buy it. Then expand. You don't need to be a world expert. You just need to know more than a beginner. Let's recap. 7 passive income ideas: dividend investing, digital products, print on demand, high yield savings, REITs affiliate marketing, online courses. Pick one, start small. Here's your action plan. Choose one idea. Spend 5 hours this week taking the first step. Open a brokerage account. Create one digital product. Sign up for an affiliate program. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Money Mint for more simple money tips. Remember, your future self will thank you for starting today. You've got this.